Our top story, search and rescue crews are at the mouth of the canyon at this hour, continuing recovery efforts for a man who went missing over the weekend.
This comes after another man's body was found in the water near Keyesville on Saturday, and just a little short while ago has been identified as 31-year-old Xavier Americo Jovel Aguilar of Los Angeles.
23 ABC's Daniela Garrido is live at the mouth of the canyon with more on the search this morning. Daniela?
That's right. Search and Rescue is calling it a recovery operation. On Saturday, they received multiple calls that a man was swept by the rapids in the river. So we're actually here with Sergeant Biddle from Kern County Search and Rescue. Tell us a little bit about where this rescue or recovery operation is at right now.
Right now we're standing right at the mouth of the canyon, and where this person was last seen was about a half a mile from here into the canyon, where the rapids are very, very rough and very, very dangerous.
So this family is from LA, and that is a constant conversation that people from out of town are coming in, and they don't really know how dangerous this rapid might be. What would be your message to those people?
You know, the Kern River has a history of being a dangerous place, and so I'd just like to get the message out there that even though it's later in the year and our flows are down from what they were earlier in the summer, it's still very, very dangerous.
And the family tells me that the man that was swept away put his feet up in that floating position that is taught to everyone if something was to happen. What do you think might have happened?
You know, it's hard to speculate what might have happened. Like I said, where he went in is Class 4 and Class 5 rapids. It's very dangerous. And so it's hard to say why that didn't work, other than the fact that the river is extraordinarily fast in that particular location.
Is it unusual for the river to be running this high and fast so late in the year?
Not particularly. Based on the amount of water we had last winter, this is what we would expect for the kind of winter we had.
What would be your message to other people? The family says that the man was standing on standing water and got swept away. What would be your message to those people who think, you know, just being on the edge is okay?
Stay away from the water's edge, especially in this area of the river. It's dangerous. It can take you at a moment's notice, like we saw in this case.
How much longer will you guys be searching, and what's kind of going on right now?
Right now we're using ground searchers to search from the shoreline with binoculars to see if this body has turned up on the shoreline down in the canyon. We're using drones and just trying our best to keep at it until we find something.
Great. Thank you so much, Sergeant Biddle. So we are right now at the mouth of the canyon, and we do see that about 20 family members have come out here from the missing man to help out in that rescue. For now, we're live at the mouth of the canyon. Daniela Garrido, 23 ABC News, connecting you.